Hey, Ben. Benjamin. Benjamin, what are you doing, big boy? What are you doing, big man, huh? Say hello to everybody. Hey.
Say, Daddy, I haven't even got time to look at Fangs yet, and you got that thing on my face.
Well, I just got him home. Benjamin.
Look at those two toothers in the front.
What are you looking at? All this stuff down here?
Fangs down there.
Oh, Fangs underneath the table. Benjamin.
Where's Vito?
Uh-oh.
Is that
There's
the
the
kitty?
trouble cat.
Is that the kitty? You want to get the other kitty? Okay, I'll put you on the floor and you can get the other kitty.
What you doing, little dude? Huh? Benjamin. Benjamin. Where are you at, big boy? What's up, man?
Where's the kitty, Ben? Look at that face.
That tongue's sticking.
Get the kitty.
He's like, kitty's right there.
He's climbing that.
Ah! What? Says, come here, kitty cat. Come here, Vito. V, come here. Come on. Come on, V. What? You always come. Come on, Vito. What is your... Oh, it's probably because Ben's there. Come on, Vito. Come on, kitty. Alright, fine then. Ben, where are you going? Where you going, little man? Where you going, little man? Benjamin. Hey, you sure are looking at that cat, aren't you? Huh? Vito. Vito, come here. Come here and tease Ben, huh? Come on. Come on. Come on. You stupid cat. Benjamin, don't eat on that. Yuck. Yuck.